Here we are designing a web page for creating a nested list. So in the first, we have include ordered list with the three elements Maharashtra, Goa, and Kerala. And after that, we have to include a definition list. As a part of that, we have to define what is Maharashtra, what is specific about Goa and Kerala, and in that we have to include unordered list element. So first we have to create ordered list, and in that we have to mention the definition list, and in that we have to include unordered list also. So we are giving the title to our website name, web page name as Tourism in India, and the HTML tag and the content which is required to create the nested list need to be written inside the body section. So we are writing all the textual information which is required to create the specific outcome, and the tags HTML tags are writing inside the body section. First we have written as Incredible India for display purpose. Then we are including ordered list. Ordered list can be included by using OL tag. Ordered list, OL stands for ordered list. And we can specify the starting number, whether it has to start from the first number or second, like that. We can mention by using start attribute. Here start attribute value is mentioned as 1. Now inside the ordered list, we can use li tag for adding an element, adding an item into the ordered list. So li tag is used for adding 3 item into the ordered list: Maharashtra, Goa, and Kerala. Both li and ol, both the tags are container tags, so it needs to be closed properly. Now we can save and see what the output is getting. So we will get an ordered list. By default, the numbering will be numeric numbering, and it will start from 1 to up to 3 because we have 3 list item. Now we are modifying the list item with the definition list first. So in the first li, we are including Maharashtra inside the definition list. So in order to create a definition list, first we have to start with DL tag that indicates it's a definition list. In the definition list, there will be 2 items. One will be the term, the definition term, and next one will be definition description. So definition term is here Maharashtra, and the definition description, which is done by using DD tag. DD tag can be used for definition description. So there we can write the descriptions. So in order to create definition list, we have to totally use 3 different tags. Definition list starts and ends with DL tag. Term can be included by using DT tag, definition term, and the description can be included by using DD tag. Similarly, we will include the same definition list for Goa and Kerala also. So definition list will start with DL tag. The term can be written by using DT, and description can be written by using DD tag. All DL, DT, and DD are container tags. So in the second, we are mentioning the term as Goa, and the definition description. We are including the description as the description about Goa. In the first, we have included the term as Maharashtra, and the description is written as Maharashtra is a historical state in India, and places to visit in Maharashtra are. In the second definition list, we have written the term as Goa, and we are writing the description as Goa is a state with colonial lifestyle and architecture. Places to visit in Goa are. Similarly, we are modifying the third definition list. That definition list also has to start with DL tag, and DT is for term and D for description. So term is here Kerala, and the description is, we are writing the description. Kerala is a tropical region situated at west coast of India, and the places to visit Kerala are. So we have completed each of the list item with a definition list inside the ordered list. So first we have created an ordered list, and in that each list item we have made it as definition list. Now in that each list item we also have to include an unordered list. An unordered list can start with the tag UL. UL stand for unordered list. Every list item in the unordered list can add it by using li tag list item li. So in Maharashtra we have to include 3 li tag for including 3 list item, which is an unordered list element here. So we are including 3 times li tag inside the unordered list ul. So first list item we have mentioned as Mumbai, and the second list item li we are mentioning as Ajanta caves, and the third one we are mentioning as Elephanta caves. Similarly for the next section also, for Goa also we have to include unordered list ul tag. So after the definition list we will include the ul tag. For Goa we are mentioning again 3 list item in the unordered list, and in the first list item of unordered list ul we are mentioning as Kalangute beach. It's one of the place to visit in Goa. Then next one is Fort Agada and Tito's Strait. Similarly, we have to include an unordered list in the last section also, in the Kerala section also. So after the definition list, we are including unordered list UL, and element can be added by using LI list item. So 3 list item we are adding in the last section in Kerala: Munnar, Alapi and Cochin. Now you can see the output here. By default, it is taking the numbers as 1, 2, 3, and we are getting the disk as the bullets for unordered list. So we can change it by using style, by using styling, cascading style sheet commands. We can change that. So we are using internal style for changing that. Within the head section, we have mentioned the style tag, and the first tag we are changing is the ordered list. So we mentioned OL. OL indicates ordered list. So we are changing the style of ordered list. We are changing the numbering pattern. So in order to change that, we have to use the parameter list style type. So list style type we have mentioned as upper Roman. So number will come in the format of upper Roman. Then for tag, which is UL for unordered list. So for unordered list, we are changing the list style type as square. So bullets will come in the format of square. And from the margin left, we are increasing the pixels to 60 pixels. We can change to 60 to 70 or 50, whatever is required as per your convenient. Now we have to have a small work additionally. So you can see there is a space which is coming between every definition list and unordered list. See after the definition descriptions. Then next, when we are starting Goa description and Kalungute beach, we can see one line of space is there. Similarly, when we are writing description about Kerala and its places, there is one line of space which is coming. So you have to remove that by using cascading style sheet commands and comment in the and write in the comment section.